We're moving on. The US Chamber of Commerce has filed a legal challenge to the administration's $100,000 fee on the H-1B visa petitions. The Chamber's litigation argues that the new fee is unlawful because it overrides provisions of the Immigration and Nationality Act that govern the H-1B visa program, including the requirement that fees be based on the costs incurred by the government in processing visas. Neil Bradley, Executive Vice President and Chief Policy Officer at the US Chamber, said that the new $100,000 visa bill will make it cost prohibitive for US employers, especially startups and small and mid-sized businesses, to utilize the H-1B program, which was created by the Congress expressly to ensure that American businesses of all sizes can access the global talent they need to grow their operations here in the US. Joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Arzu Seth. Arzu, we are now seeing that a legal challenge has come up to that visa fee that has been implemented by the US administration.
Well, definitely, there has been a recent announcement regarding the fee of H-1B visa program, which was in circulation and also talked about because it is going to impact a lot of Indians and in fact the people who are living from the other nations in the US. Also, the Chamber's litigations urges that the new fee is unlawful because it overrides the provision of the Immigration and Nationality Act that governs the H-1B program, including the requirement that fees be based on the costs incurred by the government in processing the visa. So somewhere it is illegal, unlawful. This is what the Chamber has said, and also the US Chamber of Commerce has filed a legal challenge to the administration's fee on the H-1B visa petition, as the official release by the Chamber stated. And also, if we talk about the statement that is being issued, in announcing the statement, Neil, the Executive Vice President and the Chief Policy Officer of the US Chamber, has issued a statement following, the visa fee, which make it cost prohibitive for the US employers and especially the startup and the small and mid-sized businesses to utilize the H-1B visa program, and also which was created by the Congress exclusively to ensure that American business of all sizes can access the global talent that they need to grow their operations here in the US. So definitely, there is a need to be this process to be easy and affordable, so that the people who are coming from the global world can, access to the market, and also for the America, it is important to access to those talents. But yes, now the legal challenge has been filed by the US Chamber.
Arzu, I also want to understand how long will this entire legal challenge that has been placed, it will take to, complete its course, because it is definitely going to affect a lot of Indians as well.
Well, definitely, Indians are keeping close eye on what is happening regarding the H-1B visa because it is going to impact them. And in fact, if we talk about the President Trump has embarked on an ambitious agenda of securing the permanent pro-growth tax reforms, unleashing American energy and unveiling the over-regulation that has, stifled growth, and the Chamber and our members
All right. Absolutely, Arzu. All eyes will be on that H-1B visa program. Thank you for joining us. That's all that we have for you on this bulletin. We'll see you after a short break.
With that, let's go across to